What's going on, guys? It's going to be the VanTrue E1 Pro dashcam review. It's known for its small size, compactness, and ease of install. All right, so we're going to start off by unboxing this thing. It's going to have a polarizer. It's also going to have a user manual on the top. And just to be clear, all a polarizer does is just block out certain light sources, so it makes it easier for you to see in the sunlight. Next, we're just going to be unboxing this E1 Pro. Look how tiny and sleek it looks. And then here is the actual hardware box. It's going to have chargers. It's also going to have the little trim tool that lets you tuck the wires up into your A and B pillars. And last but certainly not least, you're going to have some safety stickers. Yes, the most important thing. All right, so if you want to take a moment and pause here, these are all the big features that people are going to look out for if they're super into the tech side of the dash cam. But next, we're just going to show you off how to install it, and I'll show you a couple shots of at night and during the day. So what I'm doing here is installing a double-sided layer of sticky plastic that protects your dash cam from your windshield. Another cool thing is that VanTrue throws in 2 of these pieces of plastic, so you can actually take it off and redo it if you really need, or you can transfer it to another car. Right here, I used the trim tool and tucked all of the wires away, all the way back into the pillars, and made it super clean. These are the shots you can see for yourself. It shoots in really high quality, and then at night, you'll see that the HDR really helps out everything. Also, the fact that it auto-records collisions or anything like that is super helpful. Thank you so much to VanTrue for sending everything out, and this should be the first of many reviews to come, so if you enjoy these, let me know in the comments. Also, affiliate link in bio.